Kia ora, I'm Lou, the campus kereru, here to give you a bird's eye view of preparing to study at the University of Auckland. Today, we'll kōrero about choosing what to study. To get you started, check out our Future Student Guide tool, a fun quiz to help you pick, save, and quickly apply for study options based on your strengths and skills, subjects that spark your interest, and industries you could see yourself working in. The guide will also let you know if you're on track to meet the entry requirements or eligible for a fast-track offer. Our Study Options website section is another great place to explore. Here, you can filter all our degree programs by area of interest or subject. You can also work out if you're on track to meet the entry requirements. You can apply for up to 6 degree programs and can even increase your employability by doing a conjoint degree, which means you'll study 2 programs at once for a condensed length of time. Go let your curiosity take flight.